ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखीय बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद तृतीय अध्याय पेज नंबर 756। सर्वभूतेषु चात्मानं सर्वभूतानि चात्मनि संपश्यन् आत्मयाजी वै स्वराज्यम अधिगच्छति। So between Atmayaji and Devayaji, who is Sreshta? Atmayaji. Atmayaji is used in two sense. Atmayaji first is the one who does Atma as Antakaranam, and therefore the one who does Antakarana Samskara means Chitta Shuddhi. Chitta Shuddhi will give you Sadhana Chatushtaya, Vairagya. That Vairagya will result in Guru Upasati and then Jnana. So that is first meaning of Atmayaji. In this shloka, Atmayaji refers to somebody who has Atma Jnanam. So Paramparaya, you should use this. So this shloka is very important because the one who is seeking Antakarana Shuddhi, for that person there is Nitya Karma. But the one who has understood Sarva Bhuteshu Chatmanam Sarva Bhutani Chatmani, for that person there is no Nitya Karma. This difference you should note. In this context, there are some other shlokas which are important for Chintanam. So, I think you can at least hear, you might have already heard some of this. One is Snatam Tena Samasta Tirtha Salile Dattacha Sarvavanihi. Have you heard this? स्नातं तेन समस्ततीर्थसलिले दत्ता च सर्वावनिः यज्ञानां च सहस्रमिष्टमखिला देवाश्च सम्पूजिताः संसाराच्च समुद्धृता स्वपितरस्त्रैलोक्यपूज्योऽप्यसौ यस्य ब्रह्मविचारणे क्षणमपि स्थैर्यं मनः प्राप्नुयात्. यस्य ब्रह्मविचारणे Kshanamapi Stairyam Manapaya. Even for one Kshana, if your mind is there in Brahma Vichara, then he has done all other karmas. So, like Samasta Tirtha Salile Snatam, Sarva Avanihi, Datta, Yajnan, Ishta, Akhilaha, Devasya Sampujitaha. Means Yajna. Sampaditaha, you can just say. And his Pitara, etc., are also all liberated from samsara. Then there is another shloka. All these are for this Atma Yaji in this context. Kulam Pavitram Artha Vishwambhara Punyavati Chatena Apara Samvit Sukha Sagaresmin Linam Pare Brahmani Yasya Cheta. Pare Brahmani Yasya Cheta Linam, whose mind is Linam. Then his Janani is Kulam is Pavitra, his Janani is Kritartha. That Prithvi is Punyavati. And there is one more shloka in this context. Sampurna Jagadev Nandanavanam Sarvepi Kalpadrumaha Gangam Vari Samasta Vari Nivaha Punya Samasta Kriya Vachaha Prakrita Samskrita Shruti Shiro Varanasi Medini Sarvavasthiti Rasya Vastu Vishaya Drishte Pare Brahmani. The one whose drashti is in Parabrahma. So then all these other things, this entire Jagat is Nandanavanam, is his Swarga. He is in Swarga only. And all these trees, they are all Kalpa Vriksha. All Jal is Ganga Jal only for him. Samasta Vari Nivaha Gangam Vari. All Kriya is Punya only. For a Brahma Jnani, this is and entire Prithvi is Varanasi for him. Means he sees Paramatma's Sthanam, Paramatma's Nivasa in the entire earth. So all these three shlokas, all of them, they show that if you are doing Brahma Chintanam, if you are in Brahma Vichara, or if your mind stays in Brahma, Brahmakar Vritti what we call, you have accomplished everything. What is the phalam of Nitya Karma Adi you have attained? All Prakrita Bhasha is also Samskrita for you. Or all Prakrita Bhasha, they are Shruti Shira, I mean they are Veda Vakya. Means what is Vagvyavahar? What is said in Shiva Manas Puja, Atma Tvam Girijamati Sahachara, like that. So these are good shlokas. Tika, see further. इत्यत्र परमात्म दर्शन विषये तस्य प्रयुक्तत्वात् अत आह. The shloka Purvapakshi is given in Parashana Vishaya, not Nitya Karma Anusthana Vishaya, or Nitya Karma Anusthai Vishaya. Ataha in Bhashya, Yastu Paramatma Darshana Vishaye Manuna Ukta Atmayaji Shabda Samam Pashyan Atmayaji iti atra Samam Pashyan Atmayaji Bhavati ityartha. How you should understand this? Samam Pashyan means some Pashyan, it is given in mantra, in the shloka. So Samam Pashyan Atmayaji Bhavati. He is not Atmayaji, but Atmayaji he will become. If he has this buddhi, in all he will see himself. Atmanam, what is the meaning of Atma here?
Antakarana.
Like, no. Shuddha Chaitanya. Antakarana, there is no need. So he sees Shuddha Chaitanya in all. So he has done Shravanam, but he does not have Brahma Nishtha. So after Shravanam and until Shravanam and until the Jnanam takes place, there is some time. If person has not done Sadhan Chatushtaya or other sadhanas in the beginning. So for that person, they have to do this nididhyashanam, this chinta. Sarva bhuteshu atmanam sarva bhutani cha atmani. In all jiva, he has to see I am present as Chaitanya. And all beings are in me, the Chaitanya, Kutastha. आत्मयाजी भवति इत्यर्थः. अथवा भूतपूर्वगत्या. भूतपूर्वगत्या means now he is Atmayaji. Now he is Brahmanishtha. Earlier he was Atmayaji. Atmayaji as in the one who did Nitya Karma Anushtanena Chitta Shuddhi Vairagyadi Sampadanam Yena Kritam. The one who has acquired all this. He is called Atmayaji. वै स्वाराज्यम अधिगच्छति. टीका. यदि समं पश्यन् भवेत् तदा परेण आत्मना एकीभूतः स्वराट् भवति इति आत्मज्ञानस्तुतिरत्र विवक्षिता. यदि समं पश्यन् भवेत् तदा परेण आत्मना एकीभूतः. If a person has a buddhi which has chitta shuddhi and has Vedanta Shravanam, then he is able to see sama, means that one Paramatma in all. Then Parena Atmana Eki Bhutaha San Jiva Brahma Aikya is valid for him now. भूतः स्वराट् भवति इति आत्मज्ञान स्तुति ही अत्र विवक्षिता. अत्र आत्मज्ञान स्तुति. So this is the स्तुति अर्थवाद of आत्मज्ञान, that person who has this स्वराज्यम अधिगच्छति. What is स्वराज्यम? स्वराट्. स्वराट् भवति. स्वयं राजते इति स्वराट्. महती ही इयं ब्रह्म विद्या. यद ब्रह्मविद् एव आत्मयाजी भवति. महती ही इयं ब्रह्म विद्या यद ब्रह्मविद् एव आत्मयाजी भवति. इयं. इयं शब्द, how it is formed? idam shabda, which linga?
Strilinga.
Strilinga. Then dakara, what happens to dakara? How it becomes yakara?
Yaha sau.
Yaha sau. This is sutra. And that makara of the idam is actually idamo maha. That is the sutra. Idamo maha yaha sau. So iyam. This Brahma Vidya mahati. Mahati, 11 number tippani. This is Sreshtha Brahma Vidya. यद ब्रह्मविद एव आत्मयाजी भवति. ब्रह्मविद ब्रह्मज्ञानी इज आत्मयाजी, नित्य कर्म अनुष्ठाई. नित्य कर्म अनुष्ठाई means whatever karma he is doing, nitya karma is also performed. नहीं तस्य तद अनुष्ठानम पृथक अपेक्षते. See, it is clearly given. He does not have to do any nitya karma anushtanam. All his karmas are, including nitya karma, all snana, dana, yajna, puja, tapa, everything is covered. Brahmavid punyakrit iti cha vakshati ityarthah. Brahmavid, brahmajnani is punyakrit. he has performed all the punya karmas iti vakshyati. परदर्शनवती आत्मयाजी शब्दस्य गत्यंतरम आह. परदर्शन मीन्स ब्रह्मदर्शन. ब्रह्मदर्शन परमात्म दर्शन वती आत्मयाजी शब्दस्य. So this Atmayaji Shabda, Gatyantaram, there is another meaning to this. What is that? Athava Bhutapurva Gatya. Bhutapurva Gatya, he was Atmayaji. He was doing Antakarana Shuddhi through Nitya Karma. Now he is Brahmagyani. So now he is in the Mukhya Artha of Atma. Bhutapurva Gatya, Bhagwan Bhashyakar uses this phrase like Chaturdham Manyante Sa Atma Sa Vigneyaha. So he says Sa Vigneyaha. So Vigneya means it is different from you. And Sa Atma, so you are that. The Upadesha is you are that. And Vigneya means it has to be known. So Vigneya means it was Vigneya when you did not know. Once you know, then it is not Vigneya. Bhutapurva Gatya. Tadeva Prapanchayati. In Bhashya, Atmayaji Atma Samskarartham Nityani Karmani Karoti. Idam me anena angam samskriyate iti shrutehe. Atmayaji Atma Samskarartham Nityani Karmani Karoti. So Atmayaji means the one who wants to do Atma Samskara, Chitta Shuddhi. For that, he performs Nitya Karma. Idam me anena angam samskriyate. Anena me idam angam samskriyate. This is the Anvaya. By this karma, by this anga, antakarana or whatever is purified through Nitya Karma. Tika. Tesham tat samskararthatve pramanam aha idamiti. Tatraiva smritim pramanayati. Smriti is also there. Tatha garbhair homair ityadi prakarane कार्यकरण संस्कारार्थत्वं नित्यानां कर्मणां दर्शयति. कार्यकरण संस्कारार्थत्वं नित्यानां कर्मणां. नित्य कर्म, therefore कार्यकरण संस्कार. टीका. गर्भ संबंधी भी होमैर मौंजी निबंधनादिभिश्च वैदिकम एव एनः श्रमयति इति अस्मिन् प्रकरणे नित्य कर्मणां संस्कारार्थत्वं निश्चितम् इत्यर्थः. गर्भ संबंधी home is there. Garbha samskaras, when they are done, one of them, if there is any, enaha means papam. So some papa nivritti will happen. It is the pratipadika is, I think, enas. Correct? So then Garbha Sambandhi Papa Shamanam happens through that. And then Maunji Nibandhana means this Janev Samskaras. In some other culture, they have different traditions, but all these samskaras are for Chitta Shuddhi only. These are Vaidika samskaras. Vaidikam eva enaha shamayati iti asmin prakarane nitya karmanam samskararthatvam nishchitam. Purva Pakshi's mata was nitya karma phala will be moksha. Siddhanti says nitya karmanam phalam samskara, chitta shuddhi. So this is nishchitam. संस्कारोपि कुत्र उपयुज्यते? वेर इज दिस संस्कार हैपनिंग? संस्कृतश्च यः आत्मयाजी तैः कर्मभिः समं द्रष्टुं समर्थो भवति. संस्कृतश्च यः आत्मयाजी, the one who is आत्मयाजी, the one who does आत्मचिंतनम, तैः कर्मभिः, और नॉट आत्मा, अंतःकरण शुद्धि अर्थम नित्य कर्म, तैः कर्मभिः समम द्रष्टुम समर्थो भवति. Because that shloka said he will have samatva darshan. Samatva darshan means sarvabhutastham atmanam sarvabhutani cha atmani. Sarvabhutastham sarvabhuteshu same. This is samadarshana. Chitta Shuddhi by itself will not give you that, but he will be prepared. So Nitya Karma, we have to connect with Nishkama Karma. Nishkama Karma will give Chitta Shuddhi. Sakama Karma will give, it's whatever phalam that kamana you have, you will get and you are over. Nishkama Karma, where I don't have any specific desire, then I'll get sadhana chatushtaya. वैराग्य प्राप्ति और देहात्म भाव निवृत्ति, this don't happen in any other way. देहात्म भाव निवृत्ति, when there is lot of chitta shuddhi, it will happen. Otherwise, dehatma bhav will remain. I may study, I may do this, thinking this, that. Dehatma buddhi doesn't go. For that, you need shuddhi only. Yukti will help you. But only yukti is not enough. That's why bahunam janmanam ante. टीका, यो हि नित्य कर्मानुष्ठायी स तद अनुष्ठान जनित अपूर्ववशात् परिशुद्ध बुद्धि ही सम्यक भी योग्यो भवति. The one who is nitya karma anushthai, one who does nitya karma anushtanam, sa tad anusthana janita. This anusthana will produce apurva, vishesha punya. Apurva vashat parishuddha buddhi. Parishuddha buddhir yasya saha parishuddha buddhi. Samyak dhi yogyo bhavati. Now he is ready for this samyak buddhi. Samyak buddhi means he is capable of acquiring Jiva Brahma Ekya Jnana. Mahayajnesya yajnesya brahmiyam kriyate tanuhu. It is smrute. It's now see 10 number tippani. Swadhyayena vratair homais त्रैविद्ये नेज्यया सुतैर इति पूर्वार्धम. स्वाध्यायेन व्रतैः होमैः त्रैविद्येन इज्यया सुतैः. The person who performs all these swadhyaya, vrata, homa, त्रैविद्या means veda parayana ityadi. Mahayajnesya yajnesya brahmiyam tanuhu kriyate. When all these are performed, then brahmiya tanu means that sharira in which I can get Brahma Jnanam. That is given at the end of 11 tippani. 11 number tippani, we will read a little. But at the end it is given Brahmi, Brahma Prapti Yogya Iyam Tanuhu Tadavachinna Atma Kriyate. Brahmi Tanuhu, Tanu is Strilinga Shabda, therefore Brahmi. Iyam Tanuhu, see Iyam is given there. So that, this is the Hetu given in Upadesha Sahasri that because of that Vishesha Prarabdha, he got the Sharira in which he is going to get Brahma Jnanam. Therefore, Brahma Jnanam will not remove Prarabdha. This is how it is explained there. That the Sharira is helpful for Brahma Jnana. So that Vishesha Sharira. Sometimes, they do a chart and they will see where is Ketu. Based on that, they will say this, in this Janma, he'll get Brahma Jnana. There are people who see these things. You don't worry about that, you study right now. See Tippani number 11, Mahayajna. What are the Mahayajna? Because in the shloka it is given Mahayajneshya Yajneshya. What are the Mahayajna? Brahma Deva Manushyanam Pitrunam Bhuta Sanginam Yajnaha Santi Japo Homo Danam Cha Tarpanam Balihi. Brahma Yajna, Deva Yajna, Manushya Yajna, Pitru Yajna, Bhuta Yajna. These are the 5 Yajnas. And then Japa, Homa, Danam and Tarpanam, Pitru Tarpanam, this is Pitru Paksha right now. So, some offerings and then Grahana was there. After Grahanam, people do Danam. If people are there to receive something, then you give them. Balihi, etc. All these are for Chitta Shuddhi. Everything is considered. So, Mahayajnas are first 5. Yajnas are this Japa, Homa, they are all called Yajna. Adhyapanam, Brahma Yajna. Teaching the Veda or the Veda Sambandhi Vidya is all Brahma Yajna. Pitru Yajna is Tarpanam. Homa is Daiva. Balir Bhutau. Bhautau means Bhutasya. Nru Yajnyo Atithi Pujanam. Nru Yajna is you do Atithi Pujanam. Somebody comes to offer them things. Then a lot of other details we don't need to know. But Brahmi Shariram, Brahmi Tanuhu is the Vishesha Sharira. Tika. Kada punaha esha samyak dhir utpadyate. When is this samyak buddhi arising? Tasya hava janmantare va samam atma darshanam utpadyate. Tasya in this janma, iha janmani janmantare va. Either in this janma itself he has enough samskaras, he will get it. Or in the next janma, samam atma darshanam utpadyate. He will get samadarshanam. So whatever shlokas are given in Bhagavad Gita, etc., actually you will feel, yes, these are for me. When it is samam pashyan hi sarvatra, samavasthitam ishwaram, nahinash, what is that second line? Navinashya atmanatmanam.
Tasyaham na pranashyami sachamena pranashya.
So what is the shloka I started? Samam pashyan hi sarvatra samavasthitam ishwaram. Nahi nasti atmanam tato yati param gatim. I think that is the shloka.
Atmanatmanam.
Trayodasha. So Trayodasha Adhyaya practice is never there. Most people, Karma Yoga, that shloka they will remember. And some, maybe the Dwadasha Adhyaya, Panchadasha Adhyaya, those who chant every day. 13th. Nahi nasyat manatmanam tato yati param. 13th chapter, 17, 18, very less. Even when Gita Parayana is there, by the time 13th chapter comes, people are, when is this going to be over? So, अस्मिन् जन्मनि अथवा जन्मांतरे समम आत्मदर्शनम उत्पद्यते. समम पश्यन् in टीका, in भाष्य. उत्पन्नस्य सम्यक ज्ञानस्य फलम. When this सम्यक ज्ञानम is there, what is the phalam? Samam पश्यन् स्वराज्यम अधिगच्छति इति एषो अर्थ. See, Bhagavan Bhashyakara is actually commenting on this Manusmriti shloka. If you have noticed, this all explanation is on that Manusmriti shloka. टीका कथम पुनः सम्यक ज्ञानवती आत्मयाजी शब्द इति आशंक्य पूर्वोक्तम स्मारयति आत्मा इति. कथम पुनः सम्यक ज्ञानवती इन दिस सम्यक ज्ञानवान आत्मयाजी शब्द. हाउ डू यू यूज आत्मयाजी? पूर्वोक्तम स्मारयति. आत्मयाजी शब्दस्तु भूतपूर्वगत्या प्रयुज्यते. भूतपूर्वगत्या. अर्लियर ही वाज डूइंग अंतःकरण शुद्धि एक्सेट्रा. किम इति इह भूतपूर्वगतिराश्रिता इति तत्राह ज्ञानयुक्तानां नित्यानां कर्मणां ज्ञानोत्पत्ति साधन साधन साधनत्व प्रदर्शनार्थम. व्हाई डू यू से भूतपूर्वगत्या? भूतपूर्वगति ही आश्रिता. किम? बिकॉज now he is jnana yukta, but earlier he has performed nitya karma with nishkama bhava. Therefore he got chitta shuddhi, etc. So that nitya karma is paramparagata sadhana for his jnana utpatti. So that's why in Gurukula, lot of these karmas which are given, not that they want to accomplish anything through that. It is just you keep doing, and then chitta shuddhi will happen. टीका ऐहिकैः आमुष्मिकैर्वा कर्मभिः शुद्धबुद्धेः श्रवणादिवशात् ऐक्यज्ञानं मुक्तिफलम् उदेति. ऐहिकैः आमुष्मिकैर्वा, थ्रू ऐहिक कर्म और आमुष्मिक कर्म मीन्स आमुष्मिक कर्म मीन्स karmas which are performed for other loka. Not that you are going to perform karma there. Karmas are performed here for the other loka. Karmabhihi shuddha buddhehe shravanadivashat aikya jnanam mukti phalam udeti. See, Bhagavan Bhashyakar and Anand Giriji, both, they are so consistent. You perform karma, nitya karma for both this world as well as means Laukika and Vaidika. In Vaidika, you can have Shrauta or Smarta karma also, all if you include. All of them, when they are performed with Nishkama Bhava, then Shuddha Buddhi, then Shravanadi, then Shravanadi Vashad, Aikya Jnanam Mukti Phalam. कर्म तो विद्या संयुक्तम अपि संसार फलम एव इति भाव. कर्म बाय इटसेल्फ. 4 नंबर टिप्पणी साभिसंधि. साभिसंधि मीन्स, अभिसंधि मीन्स कामना. तो विद्या संयुक्तम कर्म इज संसार फलम एव. संसार फलम. व्हाट इज द अन्य पद? Online students, what is the anya pada for sansara phalam?
विद्या संयुक्तम
विद्या संयुक्तम किम? How will you do samasa vigraha for samsara phalam? Samsara, not samsaro, because pha is there. Samsara phalam yasya kasya vidya संयुक्तस्य कर्मणः. Vidya संयुक्तम कर्म. Karma with upasana is samsara phalam only. Only nitya karma nishkama bhavena kritam is mukti phalam. Paramparaya. When we study Brahadaranyaka, then some fundamentals we don't focus because we think now all I want is, some Brahmatma Chintanam, this, that, and then what is said by Bharata Prapancha. So here some fundamentals are discussed. Tatraiva hetvantaram aha, kincha anyat, and also moreover, Brahma Viswasrijo Dharmo महानव्यक्तमेव च उत्तमां सात्विकीमेतां गतिमाहुर्मनीषिणः ब्रह्मा विश्वसृजो धर्मो महान अव्यक्तमेव च. All these they have attained सात्विकी उत्तमां गति इति मनीषिणः आहुः. Who are all these? See, 1 number tippani. Brahma is Chaturvadana. How did someone become Brahma? Sattvic Uttama Gati he attained through Nitya Karma, Chitta Shuddhi. Viswasrijaha, Marichyadi Saptarshayaha. They are Viswasrij. Bahuvachana, Viswasrijaha. Dharma means Yamaha. महान अव्यक्तम इति सांख्य प्रसिद्ध तत्व द्वयस्य अधिष्ठात्र देवता द्वयम. Because they are tattva, so they will have some अधिष्ठात्र देवता. अचेतन गुण त्रय मात्र तत्व द्वयस्य उत्तम सात्विक गतित्व अनुपपत्ति. Only that is achetana will not have sattvic gati. So that's why you have to understand some adhisthatra devata who has this. Not only that, any other devata, whether Yama or Indra, all of them, they all have attained greater position because they have done some karma. If that karma is nishkama bhavena kritam, then from there is a possibility of Brahma Jnana. If it is sakama, you will get that phalam, you will continue back to where you are. टीका विद्यायुक्तम अपि कर्म बंधाय एव इति अत्र न केवल मुक्तम एव कारणम, केवलम उक्तम एव कारणम न. उक्तम कारणम किम? 6 नंबर टिप्पणी. न प्रमाणाभावात् इत्यादि न उक्तम एव युक्ति जातम. Not only this karanam, kintu anyaccha tad upapadakam asti. Anya karanam is also there. What is that? This Brahma, Viswasrijo, etc. Tadeva darshayati. Sattvikim sattva guna prasuta jnana samuchita karma phala bhutam iti yavat. Sattviki gati means, or sattviki, uttamam gatim. Sattva guna prasuta jnana samuchita karma phala bhutam. They have attained some padavi, some position, status. But there is sattva. Sattva means in that position, if you don't maintain dharma, if you don't maintain purity, then there is patanam. So once you are in those positions, it is expected that you will do dharma, you will do sattva. So it is jnana samuchita karma phala bhutam gate iti yavat. Atra hi vidya yuktam api karma samsara phalam eva iti suchati. Now here also they all are still in samsara. It is vidya yukta karma samsara phalam. Okay, up to here. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेद विभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति।